Hey everyone, today I will show you how to install Redis on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you'll have it up and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating your packages, install Redis using the following command. Verify the installation using this command. Next, let's jump straight into testing Redis. Open the SLE with this command. Type ping. If it returns pong, it means everything is installed and working correctly. You can assign a value to a specific key. For example, I am setting the key test to hello Redis. To retrieve the value, simply enter the command getTest. It will return why I assigned it to that key.